Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Galaxy S22 Ultra case under $100 you can buy Amazon. Galaxy S22 Ultra case is a good option for people who need to protect their phone from drops and damages. It has a hard outer shell that provides protection against falls, bumps, and dings while keeping the overall look of your device intact. The design features an impact-resistant polycarbonate shell with a slim profile that doesn't add too much bulk to your device. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is one of the most popular smartphones in the market today. It has a sleek design, high-quality camera and an innovative fingerprint sensor. There are so many Galaxy S22 cases to choose from, but which case should you buy? Here are some factors to consider before buying a Galaxy S22 case. If you have a large or small phone, it might not fit well with a certain case. Cases with bumpers or screen protectors provide extra protection for your phone. Cases vary in price depending on their features, materials and design. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Casemate. Are you constantly dropping your phone? And have you lost a lot of money because of it? With the Casemate blocks, your mobile device is well protected from any accidental falls with its drop-proof design and its slim, lightweight build. It also provides 10-foot drop protection, so your phone is safe from any accidental drops which might cause damage to your screen or LCD. Never worry about your phone again. Stylish, slim case has been designed to provide maximum protection from extreme environmental conditions. Slide your phone into the case to secure it, then take your pictures without worrying about dust, dirt and grime. Casemate made it easy to protect your phone with this durable case that is lightweight, slim and offers 10-foot drop protection. It's a case you can use anywhere you go. It's lightweight to provide the ultimate and comfortable hold, while still offering the protection you need for drops up to 6.8 inches. Designed with unique squared corners to add reinforcement to your device's delicate corners, while maintaining a sleek modern design, compatible with Samsung. Crafted with high-quality shock-absorbing materials that resist scratches and yellowing. Flexible sides for enhanced grip and a raised lip to safeguard your screen. Number 4. TCH21. Get ready to go all out with your next Samsung Galaxy phone. TCH21 has the answer for your active lifestyle and protection for your gadget. The Evo Light Clear for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra features 8 feet of drop protection, 2 layers of shatterproof, transparent ballistic material and a raised lip to protect the display from scratches. With its slim profile, the Evo Light is perfect for any pocket or purse. Protect your investment and style with the TCH21 Light Clear for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, transparent and protective phone case with 8 feet multi-drop protection. This sleek, ultra-thin and lightweight case shields your device from dings, dents and scratches, while still providing instant access to all phone features. The front of the case is shatterproof, so it doubles as protection from accidental drops. Let's get this out of the way. Your phone case is going to be the most important accessory you've ever bought. With TCH21 Evo Light, you can take your phone anywhere knowing that it's protected and secure thanks to its clear and durable design with 8-foot multi-drop protection. The slim profile and slim design allows for the perfect blend of protection. This case is the perfect balance between protection and style by providing an ultra-thin, clear protective layer to let the beauty of your phone shine through. Number 3. TCH21 Evo. Get the most out of your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with this TCH21 Evo protective case. It has 16 feet drop protection and a self-cleaning protection feature which actually protects against unwanted dirt and dust. With extra camera protection, impact protection, and a non-slip grip, you'll be able to take your phone everywhere and worry-free. With a non-slip grip and impact protection, this case provides your phone with the ultimate protection you need. TCH21 Evo is a lightweight and protective case for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra from a trusted brand that is built to last. TCH21 Evo Check for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is a premium case that provides protection from drops, impact, dirt, and debris. The case is designed to provide the best protection without compromising on style or design. With a non-slip grip and easy entry, your phone will always stay in your hand, but is still fully protected. The ultra-lightweight and lightweight design allows for easy access to all your device's buttons and ports. Number 2. Gostek. Release your inner artist with a Gostek case that takes your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G to the next level. This case is designed for an ultra-slim profile and provides a sleek protective fit. The dual-layer design offers professional-grade protection from everyday drops, bumps, and shocks. Pick up this case today to keep your device looking and performing at its best. A sleek, slim, lightweight, rugged, and stylish protective case to keep your phone safe from drops, scratches, and other accidents. The clear back allows for unimpeded access to all ports without sacrificing protection. The case features a shockproof design that covers all buttons, camera lens, and ports. The Gostek team is proud of their design and hope you love it too. Gostek's Slim S22 Ultra phone case is the perfect combination of form and function for 2022. The clear back provides an unobstructed view of your phone's design, while the aluminum bumper protects your device from falls and drops. The S Pen stylus cutout ensures you always have quick access to your favorite creative tool. With cutouts made specifically for the Galaxy S22 Ultra's S Pen, you can use the stylus while your device is in this case. Sleek S22 Ultra case with shockproof aluminum metal protection. Raised bumper edges to protect the screen display and camera lenses. Comfortable grip sides have non-slip traction helping avoid drops and falls. Protective crystal clear back shows off the beautiful design of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Number 1. Samsung. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra silicone cover is perfect to keep your device always protected and in good shape. This cover is made of high-quality silicone material, extremely durable and long-lasting. It provides 3 layers of protection from dust, scratches, and dirt. It gives you the extra grip you need to hold your device without it slipping away from you. Protect your phone from dust, grease, and other damaging agents with this silicone case. The ultra-thin cover allows you to keep a seamless grip on your device and gives it a soft touch feel. This ultra silicone case is designed with a soft touch finish and has a raised lip for extra protection. It is available in a variety of colors, so you can find the perfect match for your phone. This is a durable silicone case that protects and complements your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The case has a clear design that shows off the powerful look of your Galaxy S22 Ultra. On the back is a strap to keep the phone securely on your hand. It adds style to the phone as well as helping you keep a good grip. The easy grip of your phone is made even more comfortable with the soft grip material on the silicone cover with strap. A matte finish enhances the softness and ups the style factor. Sure, the case is stylish, but why not add a sense of your own personalized style? Pick from a wide wardrobe of straps to make your phone case as individual as you are.